Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make WhatsApp video calls on PC or laptop. Now, if you try to use WhatsApp web, which is going to your browser and going to web.whatsapp.com, link your device and getting into WhatsApp, you will find out pretty quickly there is no option to make video calls or voice calls on WhatsApp web. So, if you want to make video calls and audio calls on your computer, you have to download the WhatsApp application. You can do that by going to your Microsoft Store. So onto your Windows, go to this Microsoft Store and then in the search bar just simply search for WhatsApp. Then download this application, tap on install if you haven't already. After installing, you have to search for WhatsApp, and we are actually using WhatsApp application. You have to link your device, of course. Once you launch the application for the first time, you have to set it up by going to your phone, going to link devices and link a new device. After that, you can see this is the interface. Once the application is ready, you can now go to any contact and you will find the option to make video calls and audio calls on this WhatsApp on laptop or PC. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.